10 superfoods for strong bones and preventing osteoporosis. Foods high in calcium, vitamin C, and vitamin D are essential to keeping your bones strong and healthy, and protecting them from osteoporosis. Several other vitamins and nutrients also play an important part to promote bone health and reduce your risk for osteoporosis, including vitamin K, potassium, and magnesium. The following are a few of the best foods for bone health and preventing osteoporosis. 1. Dairy products. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are the best sources of calcium. Healthy sources of calcium are important for bone health. For this reason, health authorities recommend consuming dairy products every day. 2. Potatoes. Both sweet and white potatoes are a rich source of magnesium and potassium. These nutrients are essential for protecting your bones. Being deficient in magnesium can throw off your balance of vitamin D. Potassium, on the other hand, is able to neutralize the acids in your body that otherwise leach calcium right out of your bones. You can bake or boil them, rather than fry them in oil, to preserve the health value. 3. Eggs. Eggs are another great source of vitamin D. The egg yolks in particular are packed with vitamin D, but also contain cholesterol. Eat eggs in moderation with a variety of other vitamin D-rich foods. 4. Fish. Many varieties of fatty fish offer a nice amount of vitamin D to help your body use calcium. Fish also has omega-3 fatty acids, which in addition to bone health, can support your joints and cardiovascular wellness. 5. Leafy greens. Dark, leafy greens like kale, bok choy, Chinese cabbage, and turnip greens are all high in calcium. They also contain a good amount of vitamin K, which is known to further reduce your risk of osteoporosis. 6. Nuts. Many types of nuts are a good source of healthy fats, protein, and nutrients, like calcium and magnesium. Some ideal nuts for osteoporosis prevention include almonds, sunflower seeds, or pistachios. Eat a handful each day as a snack to promote bone health. 7. Banana. Banana is packed with minerals, folic acid, potassium, phosphorus and magnesium. Banana should be eaten ripe in order to ensure that its compounds can properly aid in bone development. 8. Molasses. Sugar is one of the biggest threats to public health today, for lots of reasons. When it comes to osteoporosis, we know that sugar can weaken your bones. Molasses, on the other hand, is a natural sweetener that also contains calcium. Try substituting molasses in baking as well as stirring it into yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies. 9. Citrus fruit. Citrus fruits are an excellent source of vitamin C. Vitamin C plays a huge role in preventing bone loss. That's because vitamin C is necessary for the development of collagen, which is the fibrous portion of bone and cartilage. 10. Fortified foods. Certain foods are fortified with extra nutrients. Some breakfast cereals, orange juice, breads, and more, have added calcium or vitamin D to help consume extra nutrients. So even if you don't like dairy, or are a vegan, you can still get enough of the power vitamin combo that should always be your starting point for building and maintaining bone density. Your diet is not the only way to prevent osteoporosis and encourage strong bones. Certain supplements can increase your vitamin consumption, and make sure you are getting the recommended daily amounts. Osteoporosis prevention is an important part of getting older, and a few simple dietary changes along with regular bone density scans can help you stay happy and healthy for years to come. If you want to learn more about bone health and preventing osteoporosis, we provide a useful link in the description below. Thanks for watching.